Sanant, I am standing in D92 block, and I will show you the picture. Entrance, I am standing in the entrance. Your fridge is lying outside. LG refrigerator, which I showed you last time. And here the door is open. I am entering the gate D092. I am entering the gate. It's quite wide. Cleanliness is left. Yeah, people are working inside. You can see two men are working. They are tip-top, making the tip-top of shisha. And आप क्या कर रहे हो वहाँ? Plumbing work is going on. And glass fitter is there. They are doing job. And this is your washing machine lying outside. And here is your almost done. This is the outside gate. I am opening door from the kitchen. Voltas. It's open, and this is the sink. Two sink, left and right. And here are your cabins on the sink. Two cabins. They are done. And here is the one single palla done. Only cleanliness is left. This is your, I don't know what's called, chimney. Cleanliness is left. This is your gas. This is your gas. Is covered with a plastic sheet. Is covered with a plastic sheet. Okay. So there are two burners only. No. This is 3, 4. It's a 4 burner. 2 are big and 2 are small. 4 burner. Now come to the little right. Single palla. Opening to the right. Next is a single palla, again small, opening to the right. No handle is required, I think. They have to, with the help of hand only you have to. And this is a big almara right side, and both opens both sides. Both palla opens left, right, both sides. This is your plinth area. You are watching the plinth area. Chula and the last. Now I turn to the right. You can see the outsider tower from the kitchen, right side. And here is a your fan, exhaust fan, and this work is left. This work is left near exhaust fan. This is exhaust fan, and this work, some light point is, some pipe is to come here. This and this is left in the kitchen. This is a door, right side door, left door, and here is your right side of the door is your cabin, opening left side. Below the one cabin is a oven. This is a LG. This is LG oven and a micro. Is also covered with the below one is covered. The below one is LG. One is covered and one is not covered. And below are the two below are the two what's called cabins, which are pulled and pushed inside. Now is the first, and then right side is the main almirah. Main almirah opening both sides. Cleanliness is left. You can see. This is a state. There's no need to ask anyone. Once they asked me to take over, then on that day I objected. So this the next right is a small cabin. 1, 2, 3, and then fourth is a locked one. I can show you. This opens. Small blocks are in the down. So the smallest one, smallest block is underneath. The little big is on the top. More bigger is on third, and third and fourth are the same, and fifth. Sorry. Third and fifth are the same, fourth is little small. This is a, I don't know what is this, I will show. It is to be fixed, it is not fixed, it is lying inside. So kitchen work is almost done. This is again some cover in this. Now this is a kitchen part. Now this is a living room. Just washing. इधर एक शीशा टूटा हुआ था, यहाँ था उधर था, शीशा टूटा हुआ था ना एक इधर, कहाँ था इधर? शीशा टूटा हुआ था एक, शीशा हाँ टूटा हुआ था एक, उधर था या पर इधर था? चलो है ओके चेक कर लेते हैं. ओके, दिस इज लिविंग रूम. दे आर क्लीनिंग योर ग्लास एंड वाइट वॉश फाइनल कर दिया? वाइट वॉश कर दिया ना या फाइनल करना है अभी? वाइट वॉश कर दिया फाइनल? फाइनल वाइट वॉश डन? और तो नहीं करना अभी? ओके, final whitewash has been done. This is the final what they are going to give us now. This is the right side door of the kitchen and this is the left door of the kitchen. Whitewash final coat has been done. Now I am going to the first master bedroom. Yeah, master bedroom. Glass is still required to be changed. This is a master bedroom. It is a you put the wooden sheet, ply. You can see wooden ply and this complete glass is required to be done. No, I think they have. If it is one is broken, one glass is broken, you can see, and I think these are two glasses. The inner side glass is okay and outside the glass is broken. There are two glass. Yeah, there are two glass. The outside glass is broken. These are the blocks of glass outside in the gallery. No. I am coming to the bathroom, master bathroom. This work is yet to be done. This is the toilet seat. This is the toilet seat, full of garbage. I don't know, this look like it doesn't give this, okay, they have made in such a way. Here, you can see this is a platform and this is a sink, and below that sink is complete hollow. This is the wash basin point. Here, right side, this is little. This is the right side, round swimming tub. Yes, it doesn't look nice. Look, because the wall is not parallel. Is it down? There is coming from inside and goes right side. So this is how it is. This is your bathing point. Shower is yet to be fixed. Oh, shower, one shower is there. Shower is fixed. This shower, and this is the light point, I think. Yeah, this is a right towel hanger. This is entrance glass door. This is towels club. This towels washing bathing tub. So some work in the 3 point at washing at toilet seat, wash basin, and this what's called your washing tub, bathing tub is left. Here is your wash basin. Okay, I shown you this thing, and here is your toilet seat, and here is a little work to be done on the above the washing seat. Now I am going to almaras. See the almara, fan, AC. And these are the almaras. Cleanliness is left. Cleanliness is left. No door is required to fix. Almost complete. In the wardrobe, nothing left. Master bedroom is okay, complete, except one glass to be changed. Now I am coming to the next what's called study room, or called this room, bedroom, next to, close to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and right side is the small room. I'm coming, here is also, everything is okay. This was already done when I came last time. Same wooden almara, except cleanliness. Work was left. What was the work was left? It was in the bathroom. I am coming in the bathroom. Yeah, this is the state of wash basin, toilet seat, not working yet. This is the cleaning. I don't know what is this. They're putting some deep dye, putty or cement type paste. So here is a glass open. In the bathing point, shower is fixed. This shower, and here is your wash basin handle. Almost done. Almost work is done. अब बच्चे आप क्या कर रहे हो? हैं 2 मिनट आप 2 मिनट बाद 2 मिनट और हाँ ओके. This is one bathroom. Almost work done. This is third bathroom. This is third bathroom. Some work is left. Here is the bathroom. Yeah, this is the third bathroom. Shower are fixed. There is some problem here. They have to fix it some. So you can see here. You can see at the top. This is your light point, and this is opening place. They have to fix it after doing something. Hanger is fixed. right side. There is also opening, one opener point on the toilet seat. This, I think they will fix something and then they will do. This is the toilet. बच्चे देखो किसने यूज़ किया हुआ गंदा है, मैसेज देना उनको. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आता हूँ ऐसा. आई डोंट वांट सी.
सर हमें नहीं.
अरे यार कंप्लेन तो दे सकते हो ना आप. मैं बताऊँगा. टॉयलेट इज देयर एंड इट शुड नॉट यूज लाइक दिस. हाउ कैन यू कम एंड सी?
सर ये तो
या आप मेरे को दिखाने के लिए आए हो तो मैंने आपको बोलना है ना. उनको गार्ड को मैं बोलूँगा, गार्ड को तो बोलूँगा. मैं कब बोलूँगा कि नहीं बोलूँगा. आई विल आस्क हिम. ओके ओके. दिस इज ए योर अंडर द wash basin. Some work is to be done. See, this is below the wash basin. Some cement is work is lying over there. They will do it. Okay, तो गार्ड को बताना है इसको. हैं बच्चे, गार्ड को बताना है. गार्ड को वो जो गेट पर है, जो गेट पर है. कौन सा गार्ड है? किस गार्ड को बताना है? आप लोग बाथरूम यूज़ करते हो? बाथरूम यूज़ करते हो आप लोग? बाथरूम यूज़ करते हो आप लोग? क्यों करते हो? बाथरूम यूज़ करते हो आप लोग? पेशाब वगैरह करते हो? नहीं. तो टॉयलेट क्या हुआ उधर? इसको सुझाओ यार. उधर टॉयलेट क्या हुआ है बाथरूम में? जिसने किया है उसको बोलो उधर टॉयलेट क्या हुआ है. साहब आए थे, उन्होंने ऑब्जेक्ट किया. अच्छा 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 अच्छा. ठीक 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 है, मैं उनको बोलूँगा. हाँ, दिस इज द फोर्थ बेडरूम. अगेन dark. Here is also work is done. They are fixed. Something is left like this. This is the fourth bedroom near the entrance. This is a wash basin. Below the wash basin, this is the work they have done. Almost is okay. This is the fourth bedroom, and this is the almara. Is okay. So D92 is almost, they will give first week of July. They are not going to make delay. It's up to me how to refuse it. This is also not correct. Seat is not fit, and toilet is lying there. To whom you will say, okay, beta, okay, band kar do. Or let us go. I am going out to see the A262. Of course, they will be giving us with bit servant quarter इधर है ना. servant quarter ये है. हाँ, this is servant. Oh, okay. Oh, this is servant. Oh, servant room. This is servant room, no light. No light, and same cleanliness is going to be done. And toilet is there. This is the toilet seat. I don't know how it is covered. Okay, chalo, let's go.